Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to bulk create on Canva. So for instance, let's say you have a business card for your company and you want to provide many identical data to Canva in order to create them where only several information is changing. Let's say like a name, like the position in the company, phone number, etc., like these over here. Then you can of course use bulk create in order to make it work smoothly. So in order to do that, go to apps over here on the left side and then scroll down to find bulk create. Now if we go here, you can upload a CSV file or you can enter your data manually. I don't have any CSV files, so I'm gonna enter data manually. And then over here, what you need to do is create the data. So in my case, my bulk data should contain the name, the position, the phone number, website, email address, as well as the location or address. You can, for instance, use this clear table text over here, this button, in order to remove everything that you have over here, and then you can start from scratch. So we can type a name over here, then we can create, we can use add text in order to add position. Let's add another one, and then there's gonna be the phone number. And once we have the columns, we can add information. If you need to, you can also right-click the column or the row in order to delete them over here, or you can even copy and paste them if needed. After you fill in your data, we can press done. Then once you have everything prepared over here on the left side, we can right-click the fields, the text boxes, and then use connect data. And then we can choose which data it is. So for instance, this one will be name, then the next one will be position, then the other one will be phone number, this will be the website, email, and of course the address. Alright, and after that what we can do is click continue once everything is connected, and then over here we have our data, and we can decide if we want to use everything or if we want to use only selected data. And after that, we can either generate 2 designs or just one, of course, if we select only one. So it depends on the amount of data that we have. So I'm gonna use every data that we have, every entry, and then we're gonna generate 2 designs. And now, as you can see, I have 2 pages with the data that I have used. Over here, the text is not really properly set, but we can of course adjust that really easily, like so, if needed. I think it looks pretty great. So this is really good if you have lots of different information that you have in a table, and if you want to create a let's say a business card for individuals, like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.